Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying the essentials. Make sure your carrier voicemail is active and your iPhone 13 has cellular service. Once done, open the phone app and tap the voicemail tab. If you don't see visual voicemail, call your carrier's voicemail number instead. Make sure you have a short script or audio ready for the greeting to avoid pauses. This speeds the process and prevents re-recording. Now that the voicemail screen is visible, you're ready to select or change the greeting. Tap Greeting, then choose between Default and Custom. Default uses the carrier message, while Custom lets you record your own. For a custom greeting, press Record and speak clearly. Leave a brief silence at the end so it doesn't cut off. After recording, press Stop and then play to review. If the timing or tone is off, record again until it sounds natural. When satisfied, tap Save to apply the greeting so callers hear the new message immediately. Finish by checking your saved greetings and voicemail messages. Delete any you don't need to keep things tidy. If visual voicemail didn't update, restart your iPhone 13 and make sure iOS is current, because software can affect voicemail. If that fails, reset network settings to restore carrier links. Remember, this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords. And if greetings or visual voicemail options are still unavailable, contact your carrier. They control voice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.